yourself, okay? So the camera might do it automatically for you if you shoot on continuous mode, or you can do it manually. So you're going to go click, 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 click. You're not just trying to take one photo and hope that you get the magic moment, okay? Take lots and lots of photos, okay? So that's number 2. Anyone got any other suggestions about what we might do to get good sports photos? No? Go on, Sophia?
You can talk with the sports person if you're doing like a group thing. Like if you're with one person, right? You can make tell the person when you say 1, 2, 3, and on 3 the person jumps, for example, and then as soon as you say 3, you can quickly press the thing so they get a good picture.
Exactly. So if we were actually going to a football match or something, you want to really get a photo of the goal, let's say, the person's just about to head the goal or kick the ball into the goal. We don't know when that's going to happen. But when we're just doing some starting practice, we can know exactly what's going to happen. So we can say, Gregor, if you want to go with Bastian and say, right, okay, I'm going to be the goalkeeper, you're going to shoot against me. Photographer can say 3, 2, 1, go, and you know exactly when that's going to happen. So we can help each other when we're actually just practicing in this moment. Danielle, did you have something else to say?
Yeah, it will be easier for us, but it's not like useful in real life, game.
Yeah.
Like if we just if we want to kick the ball, we just we go running and then stop and pretend to kick the ball, and then we get shot.
Okay, so they're actually going to pause. So we're going to say we're just going to go there and we're going to actually sort of cheat it a little bit, yeah. So we can have a go at that. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a little play with it and practice different things. Some things will be easier than others. Half of you are going to be jumping on the trampoline, and so we'll have 8 people on the trampoline.